Welcome to a truly special offering in the heart of Wisconsin's Driftless region. This custom-built 6-bedroom, 3.5-bath lodge stretches over 5,000 square feet and is perfectly positioned above Meade Avenue, offering sweeping views of roughly 445 acres of timbered ridges, productive alfalfa fields, and deep scenic valleys. Designed with both comfort and function in mind, the home features a spacious open floor plan, large picture windows, and premium finishes, ideal for hosting, relaxing, or enjoying nature in every season. The 32 by 96-foot shed sits just below the home, providing ample space for storing ATVs, tractors, or hunting gear. This turnkey property boasts a private trail system that winds throughout the land, perfect for hiking, riding, or simply taking in the landscape. With roughly 115 tillable acres in alfalfa, this land provides strong income potential and year-round food for wildlife. From ridgetop vantage points to secluded valleys, this legacy property offers unmatched habitat and is home to some of the best white-tailed deer hunting in the state. Whether you're a seasoned hunter, nature enthusiast, or seeking a peaceful retreat, this farm checks every box. It's a perfect hunting lodge, vacation escape, or forever home with space, seclusion, and income, all in one incredible package. To learn more about this private Wisconsin oasis, contact land specialists Eric Halverson or Garrett Halama for more details, or visit highpointlandcompany.com.